Okay guys, so today we're going to be cutting through this railway sleeper with the DeWalt 18V XR lithium ion compact resip saw. So we're not going to be timing this, we're just going to be like getting a review and seeing how it feels and how powerful it is. So to put the blade in, you pull this up and then you just slot the blade in there. It has 4 positions, so it can go in with the teeth down, up, or facing left or right. Now I'm going to put the 5 amp battery on, just a standard 5 amp battery, and here we go. Okay, so as you can see, it's very powerful. Actually brought them off the clamps. So yeah, I'd say that's a good review.